Yo, what's good, guys? IbzeFS right here, and I want to show you guys a pre-market analysis on BTCUSD. And guys, without further ado, let's get to the video. So guys, this is my Telegram channel, Trade with Ibzy Forest. You can see I've sent out this trade since to the boys in the Telegram channel. So if you are not in the Telegram channel, please click the link in the description of this video, or you check my bio. The link to the Telegram channel is there. Trade with Ibzy Forest, join now and trade with me. So guys, first thing first, we got to know our directional bias. We have to read our market structure and know where the market is heading to. So lately BTC have been bearish, have been dropping, but right now you can see it has been creating a series of higher highs and higher lows. So for me now, my directional bias now is bullish. We are bullish to some extent, but not like fully bullish. Yeah, we are not fully bullish right now. We are just bullish to an extent. So I'll mark out this first thing first. I'll mark out this recent high here. This is my target because I'm bullish now on BTCUSD. This is my target. So after marking it out, observe the market structure. What I said, first thing first, observe the market structure. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame now. So see, recent high have been marked from a 4-hour time frame. So for me now, from this daily time frame, I'm highly bullish to around this extent here. Yeah, this resistance area here. I'm bullish to this level. Yeah, I'm bullish to this level here, this resistance level here. But this is not where I am targeting. This is not where I'm targeting. I'm targeting this recent high here. So back to the 4-hour time frame. Here you can see. Let's see the overall trend. You can see this. You can see how price have been moving low, then came down, took out this low. You can see price took out this low here, and definitely you would think it just you would think it just want to come and respect this area here, but no, to continue selling. But no, it's not happening. So this is the external structure. It's not happening. BTC is bullish from now. It's not happening. That was not happening, guys. That will not happen. So let's talk about the internal structure. Let's see how price have been moving internally. Let's forget about the overall external structure now. So let's mark out this our order block here. First order block. For me, and I see how price have been moving, creating series of higher highs and higher lows. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, a new high. You can see this new high now. You can see, let me draw it again. From here, from this order block here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then you know that market cannot just be market cannot create a new high without creating a new low. So market must drop to an extent, either to respect this order block here to form an higher low before pushing up again to take out this high. This is our recent high. So this is where our take profit is. This is where we are targeting. This is where our take profit is. So now, let's mark everything now. You can see. Let's look at our entry from here now. You can see how price reacted to this order block here. Let's move down to the 2-hour time frame. You can see this is the 4-hour order block. Let's draw a new 2-hour order block there. So guys, so this is the 2-hour order block. You can see how price is reacting. You can see how price is reacting. How price is reacting. Take a look at this area here. See, from the lower time, take a look at this area here. You can see a sweep here. Then a market structure shift occurred here. You can see the movement. A market structure shift just occurred here. A market structure shift just occurred inside the 4 hours demand, inside the 4-hour demand zone or order block. That's it, inside the 4 hours demand zone, a market structure shift just occurred. That's a first confirmation that okay, market is about to reverse from here. Market structure shift just occurred. And we all know that after a market structure shift occurred, price must come down to come retest a valid demand zone or order block or fill a gap before continuing the trend. So you can see price came all the way down to fill this fair value gap here before continuing the trend. This 2 hours fair value gap here, 2-hour fair value gap here. So these are all smart money concepts. These are all smart money terms. These are all SMC terms. You can see. So you can either take your entry from, let me say, the midpoint of the fair value gap, and your stop will be here. Then you targeting the previous high, 4 hours high. You can see this is a 33 hour trade. This is a 33 hour trade. From targeting the midpoint of the fair value gap down, the stop loss is here. You can see how price moved. So if you are not too sure of taking your entry from the 2-hour time frame, you can move all the way to the 30 minutes time frame, lower time frame also, to look for your entry. From the lower time frame, now you can see, from this 30 minutes time frame, now you can see that you can have a more simplified entry. From the 30 minutes time frame, you have a more simplified entry and a more sniper entry. So let's look at the 30 minutes time frame. We see how the same thing, market structure shift, see the movement, and down. You can see from the 30 minutes time frame, now we have this 30 minutes demand zone here. We have this 30 minutes demand zone. You can see this will give you a better entry and a better sniper entry. That's one thing about entering on the lower time frame. That's one thing about lower time frame entries, to give you a better sniper entry. Like, bro, for those that want sniper entries, you can see price reacted to this 30 minutes demand zone. That is taking your entry from this 30 minutes demand zone here. See, it's a better entry. You can see it was a better entry with just minimal, with just low drawdown. Just low drawdown of about 60 pips or so. You can see from our 30 minutes entry, this is a 27 hour trade. 27 hour trade. You can see first we marked out our point of interest, which was the order block from the 4-hour time frame. Then we moved down to the 2-hour time frame. Then on the 2-hour time frame, we noticed the market structure shift there occurred from our point of interest to our point of interest. Noticing the market structure shift from our 2-hour point of interest, that's where we got our entry from. So then, and I said that it's either we are taking our entry from the 2 hours, or we move down to a lower time frame again to look for a better entry. That's what we call sniper entry. A better entry or a sniper entry. So for me now, you can see our price. how price reacted from the 30 minutes time frame, because you just you have to place your stop loss below, just exactly below the low of the candlestick, and your entry don't be exactly above the tip of the candlestick, the eye of the candlestick. So this guys, look at how price plays. Look at how price plays. So guys, price cannot just keep. See, from here now you can see the series of higher highs and higher lows that price kept on continue creating, series of higher highs and higher lows that price was now creating. Show you guys from after market structure shift, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high. So we are anticipating price to come down. Anticipating price to come down to around this level here, so we can just continue taking our buys to our initial take profit. So we can continue the buy. So now, the purpose of this video is to let you guys know about this continuation entry. Then let's move back to our 2-hour time frame now and see price market structure and observe market structure again. You can see now you can see clearly now. You can see that we have a order block here. We have a order block here, and also from our 4-hour time frame. Let me draw the 4-hour time frame order block first. Then we'll mark out our break of structure. Mark out the break of structure here. Mark out the break of structure. After any break of structure, after any break of structure, price must retest. And it's either it fills a fair value gap retesting, or it mitigates another block. So now this is our point of interest now. 4 hours order block. But you can see that after price broke structure here, for the new high, you can see after any break of structure, like I just said, market comes down to fill a fair value gap, or it mitigates another block. You can see price filled the fair value gap here, filled this fair value gap here, and you can see how it continue moving. Continuation entry. There were more opportunity for entry here. So now where we are more concerned on now is our 4 hours order block. So let's move down to the 2-hour time frame. You can see this is the 4 hours order block, and this is now the 2-hour order block. So we worked with the 2-hour point of interest. You guys remember we worked with our 2-hour point of interest here. Still making conference to the 4 hours point of interest. So now what we will be anticipating now is for price to come down all the way here, down, and give us the same thing it did there, a market structure shift, a change in character from bearish to bullish. So now all we'll be expecting here now is something like this, a market structure shift for a continuation. So now all you have to do now is to go to when price comes here. So that actually boys in Telegram that our entry is strictly on confirmation. We have to see the confirmation from a lower time frame. You can see how we entered from this part. We went to a lower time frame to see a more refined entry. So we don't just enter from the tip of this order block. It is good to enter, but for a more refined entry and a more simplified entry, we go to our 30 minutes time frame to look for a better entry. The network to look for a better entry, and from the lower time frame you will see it easily. You will see it happen easily. You see it happening. You will see it happening. If you stay in the higher time frame, it may not be too obvious. So you have to go down to a lower time frame to look for something like this, to look for a market structure shift. Because market price have to tell you that, okay, I am now shifting from bearish to bullish, because it market coming down now was bearish. So now for you to continue the buy from here, you have to see a market structure shift before, okay, now say, okay, yeah, okay, price is going to react, price is going to respect this my 2 hours order block before continue. Then break of structure must occur here. So this is the recent high now here to take out this high. See that you are taking your entry from here, then stop is here, stop is just here, the protected low here, or below the other block, the demand zone. See that stop will be here, the below the protected low or below the demand zone here. Then your entry is will either be with this recent low, sorry, this recent high, or the overall higher time frame recent high. So that this is it. This is the trade, guys. This is the trade. This is the trade, guys. This is the analysis. So we are anticipating price to come all the way down to come mitigate this 2 hours order block here, and giving us our confirmation a market structure shift will occur. Okay, to let us know that, okay, market is about to like change character from this bearish momentum now to give us bullish momentum. So it's one way, it's two ways. Is it that price respect this other block, or just it takes it out, retest the other block and continue selling? So this is the two things that can happen. This is the two things that can happen. See that price respect the other block and continuation entry, or it takes it out, retest the area and continue selling. These are the two things that can happen. These are the two things that can happen. So this is it, but from our overall market structure, we know that the probability of this sell or this sell continuation to occur is lower than the probability for this continuation entry. So you can see. So this is my simple pre-market analysis on BTCUSD using just smart money concept. All I needed there was all I needed was to know the directional bias. I marked out my eye. After knowing my directional bias, I marked out my eye. Since I know, okay, this thing is bullish, not like it's bullish to some extent. Yeah, bullish to some extent. Yeah, this is my overall. This is the overall bullish. Like this is my overall bullish take profit. Like bullish. This is the only place I can like anticipate buys to. So, but if price breaks, the market should break out this area now. Okay, and I say, okay, we are fully bullish, but we are only bullish to this extent. Let's see how price will react as it goes. So first, I marked out my eye, then observe the internal structures. Then I observed the internal structure. Then marked out all my normalists. Then I marked out all my normalists, like my break of structure, other block, and then I look into the other block, how price reacted from all the other block it mitigated, and all the areas it mitigated. First was this other block here, how price reacted to this other block. Then this fair value gap here, how price reacted to this fair value gap before buying, before moving. Because see, price filled this other block, this fair value gap here, and boom, broke structure. Then now we are anticipating price now to come down here, give us our continuation signal, then we take our buys. So guys, if you watch this extent, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It goes a long way motivating me to drop more videos. See you guys in my next video. Peace.